Biofuels are combustible fuels created from biomass, which also means these are fuels created from recent plant matter as opposed to ancient plant matter in hydrocarbons. Biomass refers to the organic material that is used for production of energy, also referred to as bioenergy. Biomass is primarily found in the form of living or recently living plants and biological waste from industrial and home use. The physical composition of biomass is inconsistent, but generally includes carbon, water, and organic matter.
The petroleum that we use, diesel, petrol, kerosene, etc., they are known as mineral oils because they are extracted from crude oil, which is to be mined from digging earth and then taking it out, and then it is fractionated and these petroleum products are produced. So this is mineral oil. Biofuel is produced from vegetables, from plants. Interestingly, the first engine motor car that was run on fuel was run on biofuel, and Mr. Diesel, whose name has become very popular and we use diesel, he used biofuel, vegetable oil, to make automobile and run automobile on that.
The term biofuel is mostly used in context of liquid fuels like ethanol and biodiesel. Biofuels can also include solid fuels like wood pellets and biogas or syngas. Biofuels are of three types: ethanol, biodiesel, and biojet fuel. Ethanol is used in engines that burn gasoline, like most cars. Biodiesel is used in engines that burn diesel fuel, like large trucks and tractors. Biojet fuel is used in planes. Theoretically, biofuel can be produced through any carbon source, with plants being the most commonly used material. But ethanol is produced in a different way from biodiesel. What they have in common is the need to grow the plant that will eventually be used to make the fuel. For ethanol, corn or sugarcane is first harvested, and then bacteria are allowed to digest it. This is done under special conditions where oxygen levels are low. This process is fermentation that produces ethanol. For biodiesel, the process requires chemical reactions. The most common is called transesterification, which is the process of breaking down fats catalyzed by methanol.
There are two types of biofuel. One which is mixed with petrol, and sometimes you can run your vehicle purely on ethanol. Ethanol is alcohol. This is made from molasses, and molasses are produced when sugar cane is sent to sugar mills. Then apart from producing sugar, the byproduct is molasses, and molasses, when they are distilled, they produce alcohol. The same alcohol can be used for mixing with petrol, and in Brazil there are vehicles that run on various kinds of mixes of petrol and alcohol. Sometimes you can run on 100% alcohol also. So that is one process. The other process of making biodiesel is from various plants who are very similar to oil seeds, and they make oil. Jatropha is a very common plant that makes oil, and from that oil, by transesterification, diesel is made.
Biofuel can be made from various sources like feedstock. Ethanol can be made from corn, sugarcane, sugar beet, wheat, grass, and also from inedible parts of most plants. Biodiesel can be made from a cactus-like plant called Jatropha, flowering plant Camelina, soya beans, rapeseed, canola oil, palm oil, peanut oil, vegetable oil, animal fat, and algae oil. Algae oil is made by algae that lives in water. Today, biomass is used to produce biofuels that are used together with biofuels or even replace them. About 25 billion gallons of ethanol are made each year as fuel. And each year, about 1 billion gallons of biodiesel are produced. Bureau Report, Rajya Sabha TV.